up here in Montgomery, Alabama at MMP, and DA right now is 122. It's a little chilly outside. Trying to get this car unloaded. It was a nightmare trying to get a parking spot, but let's get this car unloaded and get it out of the track.
There you go, come on up.
Taking the other seat out, putting in a lightweight one, shed a few more pounds.
Didn't get a quarter. Went 6.1. It would have been a 960.
So how did that go?
Worse than the first run.
What'd you run?
Huh?
What'd you run?
730 something. That was terrible. I blew the tire.
What'd you 60?
Like 217.
Okay.
Yeah, it was horrendous.
So before they close the track, we're going to give a hero pass and see if we can break the stock sealed motor record with a blower and a stick shift of 9:57. We had a really good 8th mile time last time, but they forgot to turn on the quarter mile time, so we're going to give it another try and see if we can pull it off before they close. Trying to make it go faster?
The car's doing its job. Zach's got to continue to do his job. that say? Where the fuck is it? 3.0 down there. Look at that stock ass fucking lower too, bitch. Now look at this shit. Let's see your TVS car do that. I'm glad I didn't get out of it, dude. I'm glad I didn't get out of it. You're getting the spot, eh? It's at 940 Bud Light, boys.
What happened tonight?
We made one good 8th mile hit, and I ran it out and I get me a time, and I was kind of let down. And we rushed to cool the car and make another hit before they closed. The car seemed like it spun, but apparently it didn't, and it broke the record tonight with a stock sealed motor. I can't believe it.
Any shout outs, thanks, sponsors?
No sponsors, but I guess my wife, I mean, she's the biggest sponsor. Everything is paid for out of my pocketbook and hers. Shout out to all my friends, Second Shift Racing Crew, Garrett, Heath, Greg, everybody supports me. I couldn't do it without them. I mean, this ain't no one-man show. So, James Henson, who tuned the car, and him teaching me everything about how to keep up with it and lean on it harder and everything. But just anybody involved, any kind of advice or questions. Wesley Evans, he helped give me a ton of advice with the clutch tamer that really turned the car around this year. But just everybody. I mean, anybody who had a hand in questions or helping, I appreciate it.
Awesome. Well, so what's the new goal?
Well, hell, I mean, it's still alive and seems to be healthy, so fuck, we'll put a cage in it, pulling it down, and try to go faster until it breaks.